Esselamu Aleyküm, Ramadan Mübarek. Let me first, I wish to convey my deepest gratitude for this exceptionally well organized and beautifully arranged evening today. Your generous hospitality and warm welcome is truly commendable and appreciated. It's a great honor and a real privilege to be here with all of you today when we gather into holy Ramadan, which is a very, very important time for us. And it is very important to be with you in Pakistan because Pakistan is a really friend country to us. As Turkish population, we still remember the generosity of the Pakistan people who stood with us during our independence war. And from those days till today, from 2005 earthquakes of Pakistan to the floods in 2010, 2022, we were always together to reach out millions of people. We know that Ramadan is a very important month which feels solidarity, compassion and a deep reflection. And it is a shared responsibility for all of us to reach out, to stand with those who are vulnerable and need. Let this holy Ramadan bring us hope, unity and increased strength of our cooperation. Thank you very much.